Hi everybody, today we're looking at the Buford Supercharger in Georgia. It is a 10-stall supercharger. So first let's take a look at how we get there. Regardless of which direction you approach from, the Costco is across the street from the supercharger station. So don't make the same mistake you see me making here. Here you see me approaching the supercharger station. These particular stalls are pretty close together, so you see me attempt to not share a charge with anybody, but then do the 82-inch width of the Model X and its incredible length and the curb right behind the stations. I decided it's easier to just pull in next to this white Model S and share a charge with them, since we only need a quick top off. Okay, so we're here at the Buford Supercharger in Buford, Georgia. It's a 10-stall. It is pull-in, so there's that, but it's not one of the nice wide pull-ins like the last one we showed you. This is the narrow style, like at the Savannah Airport. And worse, there is a median with those trees. Okay, that was terrible. Let me get outside the car. There's a median with those trees that make it harder to maneuver the Model S and the Model X because of their large size. They are very large and wide vehicles. So, long and wide vehicles. So let's see what we've got to work with today. So, here's the station, like so. There's the supercharger equipment on the end. There's a fossil. Alright, so you've got Bed Bath & Beyond, PetSmart, Michaels, Gabe's, not quite sure what that is, DSW, Birds Code Factory, Pier 1, and across the street we've got a Costco and a bunch of like strip mall type stuff. So it's not a bad area for selection of stuff to do, but it's a mall, and you know how I feel about malls and late night travel. Instantly gonna lose some points for that. So we're gonna charge up a little bit, figure out where we're going next, and from there we are gonna come back and give you guys a rating, let you know what we were able to find and do. Okay, so the arrangement for the superchargers is the traditional 1A, 2A, or sorry, 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. So you don't want to park next to somebody, you don't want to park right next to somebody because they will probably be your pair. So look and see on the sides next to you what you're looking for, rather than what I'm trying to say here is, you've seen in some of my videos the weird arrangements where you've got, it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or something else entirely, like we see at the Atlantic Station. So when I point these out, if I say it's traditional and I say look beside you, I don't necessarily mean literally if you park in 1B that the guy to the right of you is going to be sharing charge with you. I mean that it's an easier task of looking to see where your sharing partner is. It's not like you got to look halfway down the row or all the way across the mall. It is literally right next to you. Okay, so we're here at the Buford Supercharger. We're about to go. We ended up getting some drone shots, but didn't end up finding any place that was too appealing to walk to in the 45-degree weather. So we will give this one a 5 out of 10. Not for selection. Also when finding the place, the pin is kind of in the middle of the road, so depending on which way you're coming from, don't go on the Costco side. If you go towards Costco, you are on the wrong side of the road. But as far as the pin being accurate, it was right in front of them, but if you're looking on the wrong side of the road, you'll miss it. And having to walk everywhere and not having a immediately available trash can, and the fact that everything closes, I can't give it any more stars than 5 out of 10. But it's got a great selection, and so if you push me, I could give it a 6 out of 10, but I'm going to go ahead and stick to a 5 out of 10.